Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add calendar to home screen on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to tap on this home screen. You just have to tap and press for a second like this, and it will be a new pop-up. And if you want to add the calendar, here you just have to go to the widget, and now in this page, in this widget space, you just have to find the calendar options like this, and to add it you just have to go it first. Now you can select the models here guys, and here I'm gonna use the big one. I'm gonna tap on it. Now you will see this 8 button at the bottom, and tap on it. And yeah, this is the result here guys, the calendar that I have added to home screen. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.